Not only in Africa, the whole world is celebrating our father in the Lord, Apostle Professor John Suleiman. It's another year of his birthday. We are the children of Omega Fire Ministry of Oberhausen. Somebody